I have taken another example of the principle of dominance. Our question is, for the following game, find the optimal strategies of A and B and the value of the game using principle of dominance. Here we have given the pair of matrix for the player A and the player B. So for the player A, we can see from our pair of matrix that comparing the A1 and A3 strategy, the A3 strategy's values, the values of the row A3, that is 3 0 4 2, is comparatively less than the values of A1 row. So A1 strategy is dominates over A3 strategy for the player A, and player A remove A3 strategy. Now our resulting matrix is here. Now for the player B, okay, B3 column and B4 column. So B3 column is dominating the B4 column because the values of the B3 column is comparatively less than the B4 column. So as the player B is the minimizer, it always want to minimize its loss. So it choose the B3 strategy. Okay, it eliminate the B4 strategy. So now our resulting matrix is here. Now use the maximum and minimax principle. Take the row minimum and column maximum. So for the player A, A1 strategy, the minimum value is 6. For the A2 strategy, -4, and for A4 strategy is -2. And for the player B, along the B1 column, our column max take the value maximum column maximum value, that is 10 for the B1 column, and maximum value 6 for the B2 column, and 9 for the B3 column. Take the minimum and maximum value from the row minimum is 6, and take the minimum value from the column maximum, that is the 6. So hence we find that the saddle point exists as, and the A's optimal strategy is A1, and the whereas the B's optimal strategy is the B2. So and the value of the game is 6. Okay, so it implies that A cannot gain more than 6 and B cannot reduce its loss below rupees 6 in that case. Okay, thank you.